Wagwan, what's up my beautiful people? Today on the menu we have some chicken foot. Have you ever eat curry chicken foot? Here we go guys. Today on the menu we have some curry chicken foot. First thing you want to do is cut off the nails and chop these chicken foot like this. As always and as usual, good washing is recommended. I'm gonna use lemon. That is my chicken foot. Some complete seasoning. Not too much because it's gonna be curry. You don't want the seasoning to overpower the curry. Some all-purpose seasoning, just a little bit. Some chicken seasoning, give it that extra flavor. Yeah. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of salt. And for the master of the pot at all times, the curry. Using 1 pack of better pack curry. But I'm putting half of it in the chicken and the other half is gonna go in the pot. Right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna put my hands in that because that is gonna stain your hand. So we're gonna use a spoon. Just like that. Alright, so that is that. My curry is ready. Now I'm gonna move on to the pot. I'm gonna go ahead with a little cooking oil. Throw the other half in the pot. I'm gonna move it around because I never like when my curry burns too much. So I just move it around. That is looking wonderful, color getting changed. This is what I'm gonna do. Add my chicken foot. Cover that and allow that to collect some water. You know what I mean? Make its own water. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare, you know, some stuff to put in there. And you don't have to put pepper. It can be optional if you don't like pepper, but yeah, I like my curry with a little tubes of pepper. So at a time like this, I'm gonna wash out this pan with all that curry. Yeah. Looking fabulous. That is looking amazing. So now we're gonna go ahead and add that leftover one. Just like that. Take time because you don't want this flashing all over the place.
One eternity later.
Now it's 10 minutes in. Let's see what's going on. Wow. Wow. You can see that rich color, and then the chicken foot is just boiling, and it's not tough, it's real soft. So by the time all this water boil out, trust me, it's ready. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add those vegetables that I cut up. But for now, let's let that go and boil because I want it to fall off the bone. But that is it, looking fabulous. Let's see what's going on. What's chicken foot has simmered down? Yes. This is looking amazing. Now to top that off, I'm gonna go ahead and add the vegetable. Now this is the point where you're gonna turn that down real low. You see how amazing that look? Yes, we want it to continue just like that. I think I should add a little bit more water. Wow, look at that. That is just simmering. This is what I'm talking about. Curry chicken foot. Boy, yeah, these are some of the Jamaican favorites, you know what I mean? Chicken foot soup, curry chicken foot, brown stew chicken foot. Chicken foot, man. Don't worry, you can eat. Make that one simmer.
A few moments later.
This time it's supposed to come to an end. Look at that. Let me use a spoon and take up some of that gravy. Look at that. Look at that gravy. This is what I'm talking about. Gravy not too thick, but not too runny. Just look at that. You understand? Curry chicken foot. Thank you very much for joining. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting at? Subscribe to the channel, man. Subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Chicken foot. Yeah? If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Subscribe to the channel now! Right now.